In an old town, nestled among narrow streets and rooftops of weathered tiles, stood an aging house. High above, beneath the very peak of its slanted roof, in a dark and dusty attic, lived a lonely parrot. But this was no ordinary parrot. He could mimic all sorts of sounds. But what did he eat? What could this parrot possibly have for breakfast every day? After all, bananas don't grow in the city, you might ask. Well, he was the son of a pirate parrot, raised to find his way to the finest treats by any means necessary. Sometimes fair, and sometimes not so much. But not everyone in town was amused by the parrot's tricks. Some even tried to catch him. But he was not a parrot that could be easily fooled. He was fast, cunning, and always one step ahead. Every time he found new, even craftier ways to snatch something for himself.
Everybody freeze. This is the police.
Everybody freeze. This is the police. You're surrounded.